Here's a look at these 2021 Nike Air Raids in white, black with your hits of red. That is actually out now. I will link it in the description below. Quick look at the outsole, and then we'll make our way up. Take a look at the upper, bong bong, mesh leather. You got your straps for support. This shoe is made for outdoor hooping. So if you play basketball outside, this is the one for you right here. As far as the fit, go true to size. You have a wide foot, go up half a size. For sure, for sure. Bird's eye view on the toe, going up to your laces, your strap, and your leather tongue right there. Check it out. Classic, classic, classic shoes. If you're looking for them, once again, link in the description. Thumbs up the video for this quickie with Delz, and subscribe if you're new. Follow all of my social media because it will help you out with picking up kicks and much more at DJ Delz, and my Instagram is RealDJDelz. Thanks for watching. Let me know how you feel about this shoe in the comments too. We out.